Hey guys, welcome back. This is Emmy and you're watching Android Power. MIA1 has got official stable April security update based on Pi Android 9.0 and the update size is 257 MB if you are currently running the previous build of 10.0.6.0. So before moving ahead, if you are first time here, I request to all of you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to see more future videos from Android Power. If already done that, then please like this video, it's free and it motivates me to make these kind of content. So I have updated my phone. So let's go to system settings, about phone, and as you can see OS version is Android 9 Pie and security patch level is from April 1 and the build date is from April 22 and the build number is 10.0.8.0. Anyways, OS features and all they are just the same, nothing new. So there is a HD icon on the status bar for VoLTE or HD calling. With previous build of Pi, many were facing network issues. In my testing, there is no issue with network and calling via Geo VoLTE have no issues. If you are still facing network issues, please let me know in the comments. Also, I have noticed if you go to dialer, then dialer settings, then display, the dialer theme is forced set to dark mode and I can't switch it to light. It says dark mode in device settings is on. Even I have enabled light theme, but still there is no option to disable this. In messaging app, you can switch between themes. It's kind of weird thing in this update. Regarding the location, I tried locking my location and it takes some time to lock my location, but no issues with GPS and location. But yes, GPS is slow in this update. In all previous builds of Pi, I feel the sound output was flat. In this update, audio and video playback have no issues or sound via headphone jack. On previous sound was flat with loudspeaker. I feel the loudspeaker is same as before like previous build and listening music is not that great. Regarding the fingerprint accuracy, fingerprint unlocks the phone in about a second in this update and the fingerprint is same as before. Regarding the camera, you have the same camera app, the shutter speed is fast, no lag while clicking multiple pictures, no new modes and no EIS update on the camera app. I also found a weird bug in April update. So if you go to device settings, then storage, and before there was no bug in this menu. But with this update, if you try to access the files, it keeps crashing. So we have got another bug with this update. So I hope Xiaomi will fix this in the next update. If we talk about the RAM management with this update, all the heavy apps are in the background. Some apps reload and some apps don't. So I will use this more and let you guys know in the next video. If you guys want a battery backup video, please comment below to let me know. I will upload as soon as possible. One another thing I have noticed is about the charging. If you are charging your Mi A1, it says charging rapidly. I have also noticed device is charging fast than before. It can be a bug like previous but can't say without testing, so I will cover this in the next video. So moving to the benchmarks, the Antutu version 7 score is 76,680 and the Geekbench score for single CPU core is 882 and multi-core score is 4221. So alright guys, that's it for now. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.